Guys, good evening everyone. My name is Gyanend from English with Bless Vlog. So guys, today I am here and this place is really very amazing. Like seeing this type of greenery and such kind of bushes. Can you see? So great. I would like to request my camera person to show this like these bushes because these bushes are so green. My God, it's like a park, guys. Amazing. Amazing guys, amazing. So guys, now I'm not going to show you so many things at the same time. So today I'm going to tell one story, and you know that I make so many stories on advanced structure. So today I'm going to make one story related preposition. So I know you know so many preposition such as uh, on, in, into, with, by, along with. These are so many prepositions. So I'm not going to tell so many preposition. I'm going to tell how will you use these preposition while speaking. So let's start. So today our topic is preposition. So in this video I'm going to use so many preposition while speaking. So for that I'm going to create one story. So let's start guys. So yesterday I was in my room. I was watching TV. My mobile was on the table and my mom, she was in the kitchen. My dad, he was on the roof. I was watching a horror movie. Suddenly my phone started ringing. I picked up my mobile off the table and I received the call. And there was my friend on the call. I started talking to my friend. My friend said to me that, okay, I'm coming to your home. I said, okay, please come. Then I hung up the call. Again, I started watching TV. After some time, someone knocked the door. My mom said to me, Janen, go and open the door. I think someone is at the door. I said, okay, mom, I am going. Then I went to the door and I opened the door. And I saw there was my friend at the door. Seeing my friend, I got happy. I called him inside. He came inside and I asked him to sit. He sat in the couch. After that, my mom, she made 2 cups of tea and she came along with 2 cups of tea. She gave us. And my friend and I, we both started having tea. While having tea, we were talking about our study. And after having tea, my friend said to me, Gyanen, now let's go to park. I said, okay, let's go. Then my friend and I, we both went to the park. We spent lots of time over there. Suddenly, my friend, he said to me, Gyanen. I said, what? He said, Gyanen, I think someone is under the tree. There was a big tree. There was a massive tree in the park, and we were sitting in front of that humongous tree. So suddenly my friend said to me, Gyanen, I think someone is under the tree. I saw towards the tree, but there was no one under the tree. I said to my friend, hey, don't scare me. There is no one under the tree. He said, no, 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 I have seen. Then I said, okay, let me go and check. He said, no, 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 please don't go. It might be ghost. I said, no, let me check. Then I uh, walked around the tree, but I couldn't find anyone. Then I said, hey, there is no one. As soon as I looked at my friend, he was shocked. He, he was looking puzzled. I said, what happened? He said, he is not under the tree. He is behind the tree. I was still there near the tree, and I and I turned around and I checked, but I couldn't find anyone. I said, no, there is no one. He said, no, now he is not behind the tree. Actually, he is now in the tree. Then I saw in the tree, but I couldn't find. I said, no, 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 there is no one. He said, no, now he is not in the tree. He is beside the tree. I said, okay, let me check. Then I checked. but I couldn't find anyone. I said, no, there is no one behind the tree. He said, no, now he is not behind the tree. He is he is on the tree. Means he was top of the tree. So up, and I checked properly, but I couldn't find. I said, no, there is no on the tree. He said, no, now he is not on the tree. He is flying. He is flying over the tree. I got scared and I saw, but yeah, this time I found that yes, someone was over the tree. But I think it was a big bird. It was a big bird. Seeing that big bird, I got totally flabbergasted. I said to my friend, hey, let's go from here. Otherwise, we are going to get into hot water. My friend, yes, my friend started shivering. He said, yes, 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 let's go because now it's getting dark. And see, all the people in the park have gone. I said, yes, let's go. Then anyhow we just ran away from there, and when after that we reached the highway, and from there we like hired a taxi, and so we came our home by taxi. After that my mom said to me, hey Gyanen, uh, 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 just go into the kitchen and chop some onion. I said, okay mom, I'm going to chop onion. But I started searching knife, but I couldn't find. I said, mom, there is no knife. She said, uh, okay, check properly. Knife is in the basket. I checked. I said, oh yes. Then I said to mom, okay, I'm going to chop the onion with knife. So I chopped all the onion with knife, and then I saw my brother. He was watching TV. Lean. He was watching TV, leaning against the wall. I said, hey, why are you slouching? You should not sit like this. It's like you are useless and lazy person. Why don't you sit straight? Then he sat straight. After that, my brother and I, we both started watching TV. Then my brother said to me, okay, I'm going from here because you always tease me. You don't let me watch TV. I said, okay, you go from here. And then after that, he went from there. And then I also started feeling bored. So I said, okay, let me go outside. Then I went outside, and I went towards my farm. There was a boundary around my field. So I started walking along with the boundary, along with the boundary. After some time, I came back to home and I took dinner and went to bed and I slept. Next day, I said, okay, now it's morning, so I should go to park to walk. So I went to park and I started strolling in the park. Suddenly I saw a man. He was nervous. I went to him and I asked him, hey bro, why are you nervous? He said, actually I want to go to hospital, like name Subham Hospital. How can I get there? I said, okay. He said, okay, so could you please tell me where the Subham Hospital is? I said, okay, the Subham Hospital is 2 kilometers far from here, and you can find it beside the temple. He said, okay, I'm going. After that, he went from there, and I started walking. After walking, I came back to home, and I found myself weak. I was feeling feverish. I said to my mom, I'm not going to college today because I'm feeling feverish. 9:30, I was taking dinner. I took dinner, went to bed, and slept. So guys, I have used some normal preposition, but my motive is to tell you how to use all the preposition while speaking. This is situational, guys. Of course, if you know, so you just start using all the thing in your spoken, because until you speak, how can you be fluent? So see guys, do this thing no matter whether you are alone or with someone. See, I'm alone, but I can speak because I speak like this. I practice like this. I know we have to go through this practice step by step, like sub first I started first I made simple story, then conversation story, then passive story, and then cognitive story, model story, and now today I'm making preposition story. So like this I'm going to make so many stories for you so that you can understand easily. Of course guys, this is very fun. If you love this language, of course no one can stop you to become fluent speaker. So guys, don't do anything, just try to speak. And of course if you want to learn so many things, if you want me to guide you and tell you how to become fluent English easily, of course you can comment me. Of course I will help you guys. So though I'm not a big teacher, I'm not a trainer, but I have learned this language. That is why I have some technique to tell you. So please, if you want to know, please comment me. I will tell you how to become fluent speaker guys. So thank you so much guys. If you like, please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much guys. Bye.